Hello there, can you see us?
Yes, I can see you. How can I assist you today?
I'm here with my son, and I'd love to see if you could drive a conversation that could help us get to know each other better. And so ask us questions and also ask us follow-up questions to just really keep the conversation going and for us to dig a little bit deeper and hopefully connect a little bit.
Absolutely. Let's start with something light. Can each of you share a fun fact about yourselves that the other person might not know?
Okay. Um, well, I used to not like broccoli that much, but now I'm starting to like it more. So I don't think you knew that.
That actually is news. My wife will be very happy to hear that. We thought he hated broccoli.
That's a great piece of news. Now, Dad, can you share something about yourself that your son might find surprising or interesting?
Oh boy. I used to
Take
be
your time.
the lead singer at a heavy metal band. I think you know that.
Yeah,
That's
but
cool.
I was very surprised when I found out.
That's an exciting surprise. Now that we've got the ball rolling, let's delve a little deeper. If you could spend a day doing anything you wanted together, what would that day look like?
I love to eat ice cream, so maybe we put that in somewhere. We go get ice cream. And then I know you like to go swimming. I'm not like a huge swimmer, but I enjoy swimming sometimes. So I think we would go swimming. And then I like to play video games. So maybe you would play video games with me.
That sounds like an amazing day. Swimming, ice cream, and video games are a fun combination. What kind of video games do you like to play together, or would you like to try playing together?
I play Mario Kart with him sometimes. I enjoy it. I think he enjoys it too. So yeah, probably that.
I enjoyed it when I had a chance of winning.
Mario Kart is a fantastic choice. It can be a lot of fun and competitive. What's one thing you both appreciate about each other that you might not say often, but feel it's important?
Okay. One thing I've noticed that you do very differently than other people, and I like it, is that even when I'm trying new stuff, that might not necessarily be perfectly in line with what you want me to be spending my time on. You're still relatively supportive, and you're open to a lot of different things, and you're open to me trying out a lot of different things. So I appreciate that.
Thank you. For you,
That's
I think
take your time, agreed.
I think there's some teenagers that feel like they're too cool for school sometimes, and that but Imran's not that. You definitely. I've seen you work really well with 4-year-olds all the way up to 30-year-olds. So I'm really impressed with that.
Thank you.
That's a wonderful compliment to your son. It's great to hear how much you appreciate about each other. Keep these conversations going, and you'll continue to discover more about each other. If you want to explore other topics, feel free to ask.
No, this was fun. Thank you.
You're very welcome. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Remember, the key to deepening your connection is through open and honest communication. Feel free to reach out anytime you want to have more conversations like this.
We will.
Enjoy
This was
your
just an
time together.
experiment, but I think we should do this every day.
That sounds like a wonderful idea. Regular check-ins can really strengthen your bond. Have fun with your daily conversations and keep exploring new topics to learn more about each other. If you need more conversation starters or anything else, feel free to ask.